Gav, well, I'm sure you're disappointed, but how do you sum up the performance out there?
Firstly, well, it's a disappointing mess, very disappointing. We've started out brightly, we go 1-0 up, and we've conceded, and the game's changed again. And we've had a good chat after. Everybody's highlighted it. We've had a good chat. But personally, we're doing too many mistakes, mate. And if you do them kind of mistakes, and if you concede the second goal, that's Mickey Mouse football, mate. So simple as, we will never win games.
A lot of the fans weren't happy with the equaliser. What did you see of it? Did you think it was offside?
Well, to be honest with you, there's 60 people on the side. All of them thought it was offside, but the linesman didn't. So, in hindsight, you got to look at it. He hasn't given it, so it's a goal. But then, unfortunately, basically, we've lost the plot for a bit. Come in half time, but same thing again. When you concede the second goal like that, you're never going to do anything.
How much of an impact did conceding so early in the second half have?
Well, to be honest, if you look at the current results, mate, there's a little bit of lack of confidence going on. But it's the same thing again, mate. I don't really think Cefn Druids has beaten us. We've beaten ourselves, and it's getting too frequent. We're giving goals, we're giving silly goals, and silly mistakes basically are costing us game.
After defeats like that, is it the time where you just want the next games going quick and fast, or is it a bit more you can't wait for the next break almost?
I think personally, mate, I'm looking forward to Tuesday to training. We need to highlight stuff in training, to be truthful to. We've got to stop it. We've done it. We've showed that we can do it. It's going to be hard work on Tuesday night to roll on. Now it's looking like we've got Ruthin at home on Saturday next week in the Welsh Cup, and I'm sure they'll fancy their chances, mate. I really do.
What do you think actually went wrong in the second half then?
As I keep mentioning, mate, you can see there's a little bit of lack of confidence going through the side, but when we do concede, unfortunately, and I'll be honest, as I've just said to the boys, I'm just looking for one or two characters which maybe that could just stood up. But let's go again, mate. When you're conceding goals like that, like the second goal, doesn't matter what standard of football that you're in, you'll never win a game, mate.
Well, let's hope for better luck against Ruthin next week. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, mate.